Now let Hank try them on. And
Try them on.
oh,
It does.
So we drove around. We're here to finish the upstairs flooring. Maybe start on the stairs. Probably start on the stairs.
Probably.
And possibly, but probably not, start on trim.
When the floor upstairs is done, we could either start down the stairs with the flooring and everything, or we could trim out the whole upstairs and then work our way downstairs.
I think we just do that.
So we'll just see where we're at.
You guys ready to go outside?
Do you want me to get some more stuff?
Of course.
Hey, yeah.
Trying to get some footy. Yeah.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Just kind of waking up, gonna drink my coffee and hang out for a minute, and then I'm just gonna literally pick up where I left off. The goal this morning is just to finish up that last little bit. Hi. Hi. Careful, Hank. What's Mom doing? I got two or three more runs to go on the flooring, but my hose has gotten so much glue on it. So now I've moved over to like being on the flooring side, so it's all clean over there, rather than being on the unfinished side, which if I got a little bit of glue on my hose, it's no big deal. But I got a ton of glue on my hose, so I gotta find, I think I have another hose in here. So I'm gonna move my compressor, set this up on the flooring side, the clean side, and then I won't even have to bother with that gluey hose. So got the new hose set up. Yeah, I remember this one's actually leaking, so I had to bend it and tape it so that it didn't leak, but it's clean. And so that's all that matters. It's gonna be up here on the clean flooring. So I can get rid of this one here.
Oh, sorry.
Careful, Heath.
Eating some taquitos.
Did you say the ones on the outside
Dad's
weren't as hot?
finishing the last strip.
Plural. Strips.
Honey, I'm watching. He's not.
There's glue right there.
Oh, there is. Oh. Wow. Looks so good.
Yes, we gotta clean up.
Okay.
I got past my first warhead and I'm gonna have another one.
Wow, June, that's pretty cool.
I love warheads. And it tastes like a cough drop at the end, so spit it out at the end. No. Don't spit it out because they're disgusting. So don't even eat them. Just when you get them like in a piano, just put them into another people, like your friend's bag if they love them, or if they hate them, still put it in.
We are getting window and door trim, and Heath is in the car screaming his head off while June is passed out. Hank is helping. We decided to go with a thinner window trim because I think it'll look more modern and just simple. Jordan thinks it could look cheap, but I don't know, we're gonna go for it.
Towards the truck.
We just left Hanson's, we got our trim. We're gonna go back to the cabin and work on that. I think we might stop and get a coffee. I would like a smoothie. The kids are cleaning up this room. We're moving wood. Baby's just hanging out. Thanks, you guys. You just brought that upstairs.
Yeah.
No kids in here right now, but this is the kids' little hobo court. Pretty cool. So as you can tell, we cleaned up a little bit and had some food, a little kind of an early dinner deal. And we went to Hanson's Lumber and got a bunch of trim. So we got MDF, and we're gonna start. I got a couple hours before we settle down and watch a movie tonight, so I'm going to trim out these doors and windows and see how far I can get. I got the sun blazing in here at me, so we'll see how that goes.
My toothpick came out!
That's awesome! Let's see it. AC smile. Oh my god!
Like your father in the sky.
What?
I lost it. It came out.
June!
It just came out.
Nice, Junie. Hopefully this tooth fairy comes to campers.
Hopefully. I'm coughing up blood for us.
You were?
She wasn't coughing up blood.
June,
I just had blood.
that's so awesome.
Why is she taking the garbage? That looks really on
Oh my god.
Isn't that crazy?
That is.
So
That is
cool.
unexpected. I was like, what?
You're like, I like
You
it.
just showed me your outfit.
Isn't that this crazy, right? Then I just went wiggling it.
Yeah.
I bent it forward.
Hey,
and
We're just sitting there watching the movie, and then June goes, "My tooth!" And she holds up her hand and has her tooth in her hand. We're like, what? That's awesome.
Yeah, she's